So last week I went on a half-century ride with some of my buddies, and the ride was fantastic. We actually rode from Warrensville to Lebanon, and then from Lebanon we headed back. So it was a total of 50 miles, almost 51 miles. And I actually rode my new set of wheels, which were the Tokyo Epic 5.6 with the Schwalbe Pro 1 TT with the 10 walls. I think they look amazing with the 10 walls. I ended up getting two flats on the way back, and one of them on the rear was actually pretty big. The tire had a hard time sitting in the back. I was able to stop and pump it back with air and rode back home, no issue. Actually, the next day I also noticed that I had another flat on this guy. That one was pretty small, so that one is fine. Little did I know, I'm new to Tubeless. This is my first tubeless setup that I own. I thought that the sealer would do his job and then that was it. End of story, but no. That puncture in the rear tire was actually pretty big. So I'm actually gonna have to patch it. And I have to add some sealant since I lost a lot of sealant. I went ahead and ordered from Amazon this guy, made by Stan. It's called the Dart by Stan. So it's practically for puncture wheels. It puts practically a dart on the tire, seals it up. It actually has a chemical reaction with the Stan sealant that practically seals the hull. Pretty good. It's a pretty neat little gadget, so I'm gonna try it out, test it out, see how it works, and I'll let you guys know how it works. So now we're gonna pump some air, and I'm gonna look for the puncture. There we go. So there's the puncture. Right here. So just move the dart to the bottom so it can react with the sealant. So there's the dart, and it will remain this way as you ride. This will practically come off and it'll just even out with the tire. So what do I think? I think it's actually a very easy method to use. It definitely saves me a lot of time instead of having to remove the tire, clean it up, dry it out, patch it from the inside. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Super easy to use, easy to carry, doesn't add much weight, but time will tell. After I put a few rides on it, and I'll see how it holds up. But so far it looks like it will hold up. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with it. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.